Alexa, who is Chef Stephen Dolby?
Sorry, I don't know that one.
So I've got some So cover the rhubarb. So cover the rhubarb low and slow until it's. Alexa, who is Stevescooking?
I don't know that.
I can never fucking find them. Needs more honey. That needs more sweetness. Come on, you bastard. Unbelievable. Fuck. It's all about that sizzle. I have no idea why I did that. Bloody dogs. The amount of dogs is, and I'm gonna taste it and I'm gonna see where the bloody hell's my peppermill? Fuck's sake. That's the exciting part. Heat to the pimento cheese, what you want. What the f is that? For my quick, easy. Fried green tomatoes. What is it? Green fried fucking tomatoes? What is it? We on? Has it got me? Well, where's the fucking thing? Where's the... Doesn't fucking... What's doing, man? It's the sizzle sound you want. They're playing some bloody music. I don't see any bloody... Where is it? Where's the bloody... Okay. Piece of shit. I'm using white shrimp. Why is that like that? What the fuck? Are we on here? What's this? Where's the fucking... Should make a sound. fucking kidding me? Where's the bloody recording? Fucking unbelievable. But it's been through a meat tenderizer and this'll... What the fuck, man? This fuck me. What the fuck is that all about? How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. I'm gonna do a side dish, a delicious side dish, mashed potatoes, and surprisingly enough, for my mash, I'm gonna be using some rusty. Rusty potatoes, very floury. You can use a Yukon. Jesus Christ.